All around the world, AEDs are trusted in emergencies. But here's something few people consider. AEDs don't last forever. That's right, over time, even the most expensive and high-tech AEDs lose their ability to operate safely. This video is brought to you by AED Market. Today, we're answering one of the most searched questions about AEDs. Do they expire? And more importantly, what should you do about it? Well, here's what you need to know. First, the AED unit itself usually lasts between 10 to 15 years. If it's stored properly, receives a regular maintenance, and isn't exposed to accidents or environmental damage. But inside, the clock runs faster. Batteries typically last between 4 to 5 years, depending on the brand and model, and have expiration dates printed right on them. Electrode pads, they usually expire much sooner. Most have a usable life of 18 to 30 months. The gel inside can dry out, or the adhesive can weaken, meaning they may not properly stick or send a shock when it matters. If you try to use expired pads or a dead battery in an emergency, the consequences could be tragic. The AED may not power on or deliver a shock, and in a cardiac crisis, seconds are everything. So keep it simple. Check your AED's range. 10 to 15 years is typical for the unit itself. Check the battery. Replace every 4 to 5 years, or sooner if you see an install by or expiration date. Check the pads. Replace every 18 to 30 months, even if they've never been used before. After every use, replace both battery and pads. Yes, even if the rescue wasn't performed. Make it a habit. Use a monthly checklist or set calendar reminders. Treat it like a smoke alarm. If there's a warning light or a beep, don't ignore it. Need help? We carry replacement batteries and pads for all major brands at aedmarket.com. We also offer compliance packages that remind you when it's time to replace parts and keep your records audit ready. Your AED might look ready, but only proper upkeep keeps it life-saving. Stay ready, stay safe.